Hello.
We were so nervous to come up to
Why?
Your aura scared us. Your aura.
My aura?
Yeah, your aura scared
What aura? I don't have aura.
Yeah, you
Is
have
it cool
aura.
if we take a picture?
Yeah, sure, let's do it. You want to be in the middle, or you guys want
Yeah,
to be in
you've
the
been
middle?
in the middle.
All right.
Can we all say it?
For the video? Or there? Yeah, sure, whatever you guys want. On 3?
Yeah, on 3.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Scammer pools! Did you guys say scammer pools? Yeah. Wait, you got slabs?
Yeah, but like.
We can cook. I mean, I could take Zapdos, Articuno, Zard, maybe Cynthia, Caitlin, Ray, and Gardevoir. I can cook you on those. What percent do you want to be at, sir? I see you got Prada glasses. Okay, so I've been valuing these two each at 115 market. I bought a few today. You can check comps if you want, or you can take my word for it. Last comps, 120, 113, and 115 on both of them. So market, we're at 230 on Zapdos and Articuno.
It's not no YouTube video anymore. It's for real.
Zard, I'm at 760 comps. You can check it if you'd like. These are my cards. I already bought these, so I don't want you to mix these up. Is that correct? 115, last 3 sales? 240 is fair on this. Let me check this. You guys local?
We're in Riverside.
Riverside, nice. So like 30, 40 minutes. Yeah, fair value. Just check this, it's 760 last comp, like value. I think it's fair. You see the sales?
Yeah.
760? We good on that? When you're ready, I can add the totals up. I'll pay you a fair percent. Zell. Okay, so I'm good with all these sticker prices. Here, you want to check it out? So Gardevoir from Scarlet Violet base, we're at 125. Cynthia, Caitlin from Cosmic Eclipse, we're at 240. Shiny Ray GX, 150. We're at 515 so far. Zard, we're cool at 760. Yes?
Yeah.
760 on Zard, we're at 1275. Zard GX.
You said 115.
115 on each, so 230 on Articuno and Zapdos. Are you high on that one?
Yeah, we paid a higher than this, I think, than we had like a long time ago.
It was like
Well, you have cash flow and you can buy other stuff. Up to you. That's not the hottest card in the world, to be honest with you. You might be able to buy a better card with that at like 70% when someone comes up to you with some cool card. Up to you though.
Yeah, just for him.
Just for me? I mean, if you guys want to do it just for me, I'm fine with that. If not, no worries. No pressure. You can hold on to it, no pressure. So plus 115 for Zapdos. We're at 1390 for these cards. Is that cool? Market?
Yeah.
And I will flip you 1200 or 1250. I think that's fair. That's 86 or 90%. So middle point, I'm paying you 88%.
What about 1200 and 1300?
Ah, that's cooked.
Just for us.
1200, 1300. You know what? Just because you were nice, fuck it. Let's do it. You throw, I call?
Yeah.
And it has to land on this display case, all right?
What if it lands before like the other
Doesn't
side?
count. If it lands here, it doesn't count. I've been doing it all day. Has to land on this display case. I call it in the air, okay? 1200 or 1300, we're flipping Zard, Ray, Cynthia, Caitlin, Gardevoir, and Zapdos. Ready? Go. Tails. Scammer pulls!
Scammer didn't pull.
That's payback for right there, calling me scammer pulls with a photo op. I was like, wow, they're so nice. They want a picture. Scammer, what the fuck?
It was all his plan. This is fair.
All right, let me sell you up. All right, follow them on Instagram. Team Collectibles 1 and 1. Very long name, but we're gonna get that in
I
there.
want to change it, but I'm not too sure.
Mine's long too, but I guess whatever. Have a good one, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you. How's it going, buddy? Comps are 285 here on this Rainbow Zard.
Oh, what's up, man? Hey, I told him. I tried to pull up your guys' stuff. Like, smiling now.
Oh.
Been having a good day?
Oh yeah.
Great day. After
Oh, you should see what's in there. I have like 40 bubble meals. Oh, are these yours?
Yeah, those are mine too.
Yeah, we could cook on those. Yeah, I'm definitely down to cook on those. What are we thinking for the Cook Central? For Blaze, Ray, and Greninja. Greninja. This is Lugia.
Oh, you want Lugia too?
Lugia is 500. 500 and 450, so 950. I hate that card, but
This is 7. I have this at 7. That was good.
I think it was like a 670 or something.
I think it was pretty fair because last two were pretty high.
Say it with me. Greninja. That's how they say it in Super Smash Brothers.
Is that how it says?
Yeah.
I didn't
When you
think
click on
box.
it, like Lucario.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Greninja.
Oh, when you select.
Yeah. 7. Fuck it. This I don't know.
Oh shit.
Dude, Gengar. Everyone's like stickered at 930 and 950. I'm like, what
VMAX?
the? Yeah.
Yeah, they're out of their minds.
That's comps. Comps are like 950, bro.
1.2 soon? What do you think?
I don't know, bro. All right, this is all over the place. 720, 920, 895.
Yeah.
760, 790, 710. It's cooked. It ranges
I'm
from.
just gonna sit on this one.
We can work a deal. I want it, but like, cook me. 950 fair value on these. We're at 7 fair value there.
Call it what?
830. Bro, last sold 720 and there's like a 760 and 790.
Fucking 9.
920. That's
and then
it.
like an 895.
That's PWCC, bro. 850. What are we total at?
255.
2,500.
Easy 1K come up.
Getting there.
Okay.
Just as long as it's not
Do you want to work with the Rainbow Zard or no? Comps are like 285. Okay. What are we at there? So 2,500 plus 285. 2785. Let's move on to the next section.
Got these from AJ, so it's like tough, but
Cooked.
not overly. Just needs to be the right number.
Is this 225? No way. It's like 160.
No, I shit you not.
It went up?
Yeah. Everything's like pumping. It's super random. You would expect these of like the least of the fucking pump.
208, 175, 186, and didn't pump that high. It's okay. I don't really.
160, yeah.
I don't really want it.
Want the secret?
What? Nah, fuck that card. I want babies.
That one might be a little scattered too.
Can I take these out? Can I open this?
Yeah, that's fine.
I have permission from this vendor to open his display case and reach.
You steal it. Hey, come back with my cards.
Calm down, calm down. The babies, I want to be at like
One.
it's fucking all over the place.
That's why. Yeah.
Like, what the fuck are these comps? 120, 155, 220, 120? For the fucking babies? Gengar, 300? 300.
I have 310.
Come on, I gave you 3 on that. Give me 3 on this, bro.
You say giving me 300 as if that's a favor. 315.
What? You just said 310.
Or 310. Okay.
This guy.
Good with you?
This card used to be the #1 card at Team Up. When Team Up first came out, Latios was nothing. That Latios used to be like a $20 raw card, didn't it?
It was like 40.
You know it's $4,000 now? Fucking crazy. Anthony, I think, still has 6 or 7 of them. I only have 1. All right, we got the Rainbow Blastoise Piplup. We got Pikachu Zekrom Team Up. Eevee Snorlax, Gengar Mimikyu. One of my favorite cards of all time, the babies. Greninja, Blaziken, Lugia, Ray, and Zard. What was market again?
3850.
33, 34 flip. No flip?
34 flat.
33, 34 flip. You don't want to flip? You don't want to flip? Let's flip 33, 50, 34. You throw it.
450.
No. You throw, I call.
Nothing that you picked is literally under
$100.
$100.
Yeah, sure, but
Your smallest card is that.
what do you think of these?
Everything else is over 2.
Some milk cards. Chat, 2 bags if you hit a chase. Chicken heart.
Cards, man.
This is like $2.30. It's fucking cheap. Look, milk. Fucking love this
34
card.
for the top tier. There you go. It's villager stuff.
Flip 33, 35. Same middle point. Fuck it. Run it. Okay, 33, 50, 34, 50.
If we flip, it's just gonna be
Okay, 33, 50, 34, 50. What you wanted?
34,
You said let's flip 33, 50, 34, 50.
33, 50, 34, 50.
Yeah, fuck it. Run it.
What's in the mystery bags?
PayPal, FNF. You throw, I call?
Here we go.
3,350 if I win, 3,450 if you win. It has to land on this display case for it to count. Deal?
Sure.
All right, throw it good.
Here we go.
I call in the air. Tails. Fuck!
Goated pull.
You screamed like so loud last time. That was weak, bro.
You gotta switch it up on him.
No, you're just too tired. You're just too fucking tired.
My mood depends on my day.
Hello. How you doing, man? Do you take PayPal? Yeah. What's the best you could do if I took the 3 Dragonites, 1 Japanese, 2 English, Tyranitar,
You got the other dogs?
Mew? Is this all the slabs you have? Okay. Let me add them up real quick. Okay, so this is what I would offer you. Do you want a coin flip or no coin flip?
Depends. If it's good enough, why not?
Maybe.
Is it these 3?
So the 3 Aerodactyls, if you want to take them out, up to you. The 3 Dragonites, Tyranitar. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 5, 6. So I'll tell you what I'm valuing them at. So 275 is cool on on Tyranitar. Okay. So 700 on 2 English. This is like 160, 180-ish comps. You can check it. I put 180 for you. Umbreon, I'm cool with like 390 comps. You can double check all these if you want. Up to you.
So you said Umbreon 390?
Yeah, value.
Okay. And then what else?
This I'm fine at 75. 275. I added 700. I added 180. I added 390 there, and I added 75. And then I value this at 390. This Zard. You can check last comps if you want. And this is like there's a 510 and a 520 and a 550. So I'd value it at like 525. So I'm at 25.35 market. The Mewtwo is like 50 bucks. So we're at like 25.85 market. What do you value the Sabrina's Gengar at?
That one's 225.
Is it?
Yeah, you can double check. I just checked it earlier today. The Dragon, I could probably get 2 on this one. This is what I got.
Okay,
like 210.
that's fine, that's fine.
It's only like 20 bucks.
Can we just do 215 to make it an even value of 2,800?
Okay.
And then I'll pay you. I can pay you a flat 2,400, or we can flip from 2,400 if you want. I would take the Gardevoir and the Starmie too if you want.
You would be at what on there's another guy doing.
What
was that, 28 you said?
Yeah. I'd pay you 2,600 if you threw those two in. My offer was 2,380. That was 85% exactly.
So the value
Sorry,
30.
I said I would pay you 2,400. I rounded up for you.
Okay. Well, you're at what market? My bad?
200. Total market was 2,800.
Okay, and then adding these, right?
Not adding those. With these, I said I'll pay you 2,600.
26.
So market's like around 3K. Like 3,050, I think is market.
Could you do 2650? PSA 10 sold from like 3 months ago.
So for all the cards? Do you want to flip or no flip?
My whole Instagram is all like a meme, bro.
I'll flip you
I'm not really like that.
2,600 or 2,650. I want to be at 26. You want to be at 2,650? 50 bucks.
I'll think about it. I'll come back around. Appreciate you.
26 or 27. Fair? Same middle point. Yeah?
Got a coin? I don't have a coin.
I have a coin. Can I take them out real quick and show the camera? All right, so we're picking up Mewtwo V-Star, Sabrina's Gengar, Mew, Japanese, Umbreon Darkrai, Japanese, Charizard from Paldean Fates, Alakazam Secret Rare from Fates Collide, basically one of the first alt-arts, technically. 2 English Dragonites, Starmie from Astral Radiance, I love that card, Gardevoir from Scarlet Violet base, Sleepy T-Tar, and a Japanese Dragonite. Market was a little over $3,000. We're gonna flip 2,600 or 2,700. You wanna throw it?
I'm gonna throw it?
Yes. Just land on the display case.
You wanna call it?
Yeah, I'll call it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Tails. You got it. 27, brother.